Everyone is in the harbor. The boats bobbed gently and down on the water. Bob means unduക. The harbor, the boats bobbed gently up and down on the water. അതിലേക്ക് ഉന്തി ബോട്ടുകൾ. ജെന്റിലപ്പ് ജെന്റിൽ നോക്കാടെ കാണും. അത് തെറ്റ്. 1 to 4. The economic system in which society means the production held by private individuals or organizations, not the government, and a product price and distribution in a free market. The company cannot cut its prices anymore because it has promised to its shareholders. Simple one. 1 to 3. The legislative governments will contribute to the promotion of free market competition, not a central government or regulatory body dictates production level and prices. This may saw it marriage for men that they accepted revised childbearing activities no matter who the biological father was. An ingenious, which means നിങ്ങളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു രണ്ടാം കെട്ട് പെണ്ണിനെ കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചാൽ കൊച്ചിൻ്റെ ചുമതല നിങ്ങൾ വായിച്ചോണം. യു ആർ നോട്ട് ഈവൻ ബയോളജിക്കൽ ഫാദർ or you can marry. It's the case woman does not have job. An ingenious idea. And he was taking a walk with his wife. During that, the prosecution was accused of withholding crucial evidence from the defense. Withholding വെച്ചാൽ തടഞ്ഞു വയ്ക്കുക. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് വീലിലൂടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. കാരണം എന്താ പറയാനുണ്ട്, സബ്ജക്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് വെർബ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ഇവിടെ ഒരു നൗണേ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ, ദ ട്രയൽ. അതുകൊണ്ട് പറ്റത്തില്ല, സബ്ജക്റ്റ് പ്ലസ് വെർബ് വരണം. വീൽ ഐ വാസ് റൈഡിങ് മൈ ഹോഴ്സ് ഐ സോ ഹെർ in the back of a beautiful garden, or the back of a beautiful garden. Okay, in the effort to spread accurate information, carbo എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചുരുക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അത് വരത്തില്ല, സ്പ്രെഡ് ഔട്ട് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടും വരും. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെൽ ഇൻഫോംഡ് അബ്സൊല്യൂട്ട്ലി. ദ പെർസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ടെൻഡൻസി ടു കവർ അപ്പ് ഫോർ അവർ ലാക്ക് ഓഫ് ഫിറ്റ്നസ് ബൈ യൂസിങ് വേഗു ലാങ് മസ്റ്റ് ബി സ്ട്രോങ്ലി റെസിസ്റ്റഡ്. വേഗു ആൻഡ് മിസ്ലീഡിങ്. വേഗു എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അൺക്ലിയർ, അവിടെ അതാണ് വേണ്ടത്. മിസ്ലീഡിങ് വെച്ചാലും ക്ലിയർ ആണല്ലോ. വി പാറ്റ് സീറ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ചെയർ ക്യാമറ ഹിയർ ടു മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് സോഫ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് കോസി. നമുക്ക് കോസി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സുഖകരമായ, ദ കോസി ഫീലിംഗ് ദറ്റ് യു ഗെറ്റ് വെൻ യു ആർ ഇൻ സം high end vehicles. Okay, when it's freezing outside, few things can be compared to the comfort of your own home. Can be comparable എന്ന് പറയണം, compare അല്ല, can be comparable. Can be compared to the comfort. Sorry. She acted in numerous plays and also took up the job of reviving a theatre founded by his reviving, not reviving. The narration offers to look at how the character of the protagonist established in the novel. The narration offers a thorough, not through. Thorough. Through means really good. Thorough. In totally. One patient became suddenly delirious and violent, but was got under control by the nurses and had become quiet before the medical officer. So these times are right. Sudden delirious. Delirious means being angry. ആനന്ദം കൊണ്ട് മറ്റേ തന്നെത്താൻ മറന്നുപോയി. ഡെലിറിയസ് തന്നെത്താൻ മറന്നുപോയ. ഓക്കെ. Next, Reliance Group chairman and many with the agencies to share his paying for state connections. Sentence ആർട്ടേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് കണക്ഷൻ കിട്ടുക, അത് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയാൽ മതി. വലിയ കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല. എനിക്ക് വെയ്റ്റ്സിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥത്തിനകത്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അക്കോമ്പനിമെൻ്റ് വെച്ചാൽ കൂടെ കൂടുക, അഡൾട്ട് പ്രായപൂർത്തിയാവുക, ചൂയിങ് പിന്നീട് ഡൈജഷൻ ആഹാരം ദഹിക്കുക, ഫോമെൻറ്റും ബാറ്റിങ്, സൈറ്റിങ് ചൂണ്ടിക്കാണിക്കുക, ടെസ്റ്റീംസ് കൺസൾട്ടൻ്റ് എന്നറിയാമല്ലോ. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അങ്ങനെ 35 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു നോ ബ്രേക്കബിലിറ്റി. അവിടെ എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത് കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണ്. 6 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കഴിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇത് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ ഗൈസ്, നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസറാണ്. കാരണം 12, 12, 24, 24/3, 8, 8, 4, 32, 32/5, 6/4. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം എടുത്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അറിയാൻ കഴിയും they have followed a pattern, but I don't think so I am used the same pattern here. I think I am used something different from this. So I took the difference. First 6, then 12, then 20, then 30. So you can see there is a difference of 6, 8, 10, then 12 is 32. So it's like 2 square plus 2, 3 square 2 plus 3, 4 square plus 4, 5 square plus 5. Gives us a difference of, the difference have a difference of 6, 8, 10, 12. So in that way I do that. Very close. Like when we see the number, we don't get it initially. It's depending upon it. Then this next problem I am not gonna attempt that. This was like adding the 1 raised to 4th, 2 raised to 4th, like 90. So this one is also easy. Next one is 2, 8, 44, 260, 1556. Here I took 2 minutes 1 second to complete it. I just use I don't get what kind of trick I use here. Basically I think I just multiply 2 with I don't know, I made it right. How did I done? Can't even remember. But not this way. Anyway, this is like 2 into 6, that all 2 minus 4, 8. Then 8 into 6, 48 minus 44. Then 44 into 6, 260 into 6, and then last this number. So when we look at the difference, 6, 14 minus 36, and 260 minus 44, it's like 2164. So basically, to have another method called the difference is actually in the order with the powers of 6. So probably I find it like that. Then 260 plus 216 into 6, 6 into 6, 36, 3, 9, 2, 6. So I add that with the 260, I get 556. Then I add another 6, 6, 6, 6, 36, 6, 39, 6, 54, 7, 5, 2, 6, 12, 7, 6, 7, 7, 7, 6 plus 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 12, 1, 7, 6, 13, 1. So it's like that I got the answer. The next one is I corrected it very fast. As half, then to multiply with 1. Then there's a few problems about graphs and sort of things. It was simple, just add these numbers and find out what they are in ratio or percentage. That doesn't record any information. Just I go to the next one. I end up with a question like this: 1 by 64 raised to 2 raised to 2 by 3 goes by 1 by 24 into 4. First of all, we have to remember that the division must be done first. So, what is 1 by 64 raised 4 raised to 2 by 3? So simply it is like just find the root or the square of this number. First of all, it is easy to find the square root. So 1 by 64 is 1 by 4 basically. Then we find the square, that is 1 by 60. 1 by 60 by 1 by 24. 24 comes upper. So 24 by 60 is 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, 3 into 2 6. Next one, this one is another simple one because it can divisible with 15 by 6. Yeah, it can divisible, it's like 5 by 2, but I just leave that because we have 54 there. So 54 by 6 is 9. 9 into 15, 135. So 135 minus 64 is like 75 for 71. 71 plus 119, 120 plus 190. The next one is like very simple, 8 raised to 16. Then we have down 8 square. So cancel is okay, 860 minus 2, 8 raised to 14. We get 8 raised to 14. Then we have 2 raised to 4. What is 2 raised to 4? That is 4 square. And we have 8 raised to 14. 8 raised to 14 is like 2 raised to 14 into 8 is 2 into 4, so 2 raised to 14 into 4 raised to 14. We already know 4 square here. What is 4 square? I'll leave that for 2 raised to 14 is 2 raised to 7. Again, 4 raised to 14 plus 4, so 4 square. That is 4 raised to 60. Then we have 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. I'm not looking at that. We can divide 3 cube with 450. So 3 into 3 9. 9 4 50 50. Then we have another 3. We can divide it with 0.8. So 0.8 into 0.8 into 24 plus 24 48. Next one 27 by 17 to here we can see dividing that 17 with 2 to 95, 117, 5 remainder 59, 3 17 51, then remainder 85. 85 is 5. So we get 27 by 9 and 3 into 135 is 405. 405 minus root of 729 is 27. So we can minus 30, then we get 475, then add 375, 378. Then next 5 square into 14, it's 25 into 14. What is 25 into 14? That is 350. 350 plus 14450, 1800 by 1800. So 100 by 19.98 we get. So next question is a simple one. When we look at this, very confusing because the sentence you have to speak English is not your first language. No problem. ഒരു ബോട്ട് അപ്സ്ട്രീം ഒരു ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് സഞ്ചരിച്ച് ആ സെയിം ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഡൗൺ സ്ട്രീം സഞ്ചരിക്കാൻ ആ സഞ്ചരിച്ച സമയത്തിൻ്റെ about the distance of an upstream which is 12 point of distance at the same time, our same time which is to distance in downstream the same time. So it's like 8 is to 1. Okay, it's the time they require, and 1 is to 8 is the speed they require. 12.5 is percentage into 100 each to 100 ആണ് നോക്കുന്നത് 1:8 വരും. This is speed. Then if this is speed, then center value is the stream speed 4.5, and we know that then 3.5 is the speed of stream. We know that the difference between speed current is 2 kilometers, but this difference is 1 kilometer. Then of course for 2 we have to multiply this number with 2, then get 9 and 7. So what we need here is find the speed of current. That's 9. Sorry, that's 7. And the speed of stream is 9. Sorry, speed of boat is 9. Here is another easy question. We know the initial ratio 11:4. Then 21 liter of alcohol. Then the ratio became 10:3. So for just easy. Here we know that the difference occurs only in the case of this 11 part. This only alcohol is added here. So we keep this value same. We just multiply with 3, 4, 12, 3 into 11, 33. 10 into 4, 40, 3 into 4, 12. So the quantities became same. The difference is 7. Here we are 21 to 71 by 7. It is 3. And find the initial quantity makes us 33 plus 12, 45. 45 into 3, 135. Another easy question. Mahak and Lalita is 3:7 ratio they are investing. Then his Mahak's initial capital is 80,000. You can call it just 80. Leave the 3 zeros. Then her will be 7642. Then Mahak withdrew 4,000. That's just 4 rupees. Like when we convert it is like end of 8 months. So 8 plus then only the first year considering. So 18 into 8, then 4 months left. We write 4 months. The value decreased to 14. Here it is 12. Then we multiply this value 8 into 10, 8 into 64. 80 plus 6, 144. 4 into 10, 4, 4, 116, 56. 144, 56 is like 200. And 42 into 12 is like 420 plus 84. So 504. Yeah, divide with 4, we get 50. 1, 2, 6. Again divide with 25. 63. Yeah, 25, 63 is answer. So rate of fucking answer. First of all, we need to see ratio to write it down. 8:7. And after 6 the ratio of age is 19:70. So it clearly says that after 6 years, it's very simple. We just multiply these values with 2 to make it close to these values. 2 into just the difference between these values. So 2 into 8, 16. 27, 14. The difference is the 3 both the case. So it's like 6 by 3, 2. Find the difference between the percentages. It's like 2 into 2, 4. The ratio of 3 positive numbers is 3:5:7. So we have the ratio. Then after the first two numbers 32. So what is the sum of the numbers? That is 64. 64 is 3, 8 part. So one part is 8, then plus 64. Then the sum of the last, the difference between sum of the first two numbers, sum of the last two numbers. Last two numbers 5:7. Now the one part is 8. To get from this value, 64 by 8 is 8. So 5, 7, 12. 12 into 8 is 96. 96 minus 64, 32. Then another. Tables are also easy, but I think the tables are more easy than anything. Here we can have sale of erasers for E on Friday. And Friday was 6% of that on Wednesday. Wednesday 60%. That's like 6 into 8.5, 3 into 17, 51. 60% that on Wednesday and Thursday together. Sorry, this is Wednesday and Thursday. So 85 plus 65. It is like 150. 60% of 150. 90. Same easy question. What is the approximate percent increase in the sale of rice by seller A from Monday to Tuesday? Monday to seller A from Mondays to Tuesday. That is 35 raised to 10 into 100. 7, 20, 200 by 7. What is that? 2 into 7, 14, 6, 0, 8, 7, 56. So its value is approximately 28 to get the value. The number of arrears sold by seller B on Monday is how much more or less than that on Thursday and Wednesday together? I think this live program is not working well, so I'm just cutting this graph. Okay.